Hello, good evening everyone. This is Busyang 18 once again. And for today's vlog guys, kayo ay dadalhin ulit ni Busyang 18 sa island. Ang name ng island na ito is Al Samalaya Island. So we will check it out guys kung ano yung makikita natin in this place, in this island. Tara, samahan niyo si Busyang 18 guys. Come on! In this experience guys, we pay for 25 dirhams. So titingnan natin guys kung saan aabot yung aming 25 dirhams. Let's go! Come on! The travel going to Al Samalaya Island is almost 45 minutes guys. So, sulit experience. Ito para kay Busyang 18 guys. So, abangan natin kung ano pa yung experience natin. You can hear that we are here in the forest. That it is full of eggs. The big eggs, and it is colorful. Appreciate that. Here in the forest. So, tayo ay nasa kalagitnaan ng forest na ito. And Team Loves Abu Dhabi team prepared this artwork here in Abu Dhabi. So, guys, experience this magical lights. Just so lovely. You can feel that. Different colors. Just so guys, nandito na tayo sa malalaking itlog. Diba? Big, ang laki-laki. So, ayan ang kamay ko. So, this is it. Hindi tayo makadaan. It's just so big. Eggs over here.
Wow, nice siya mata. Oh my God. Nice one ang bush.
Appreciate that. Here in the forest. So, tayo ay nasa kalalagitnaan ng forest na ito. And Team Loves Abu Dhabi team prepares artwork here in Abu Dhabi. So, guys, experience this magical lights. Just so lovely. You can feel it. different colors. Just to love. So, another different experience na naman yung na-experience ni Busyang 18. And mega love shout out sa mga sumasama kay Busyang 18. Sana tayo ay may learn sa ganap na ito. Mega love shout out everyone, especially the Solid and Liquid team for being with Busyang 18 as always from start to end, supporting my videos, my live stream. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And to all the visitors, thank you so much. Hope another learning, next level of experiences, and Busyang 18 is really want to share with you guys kung ano pa yung ma-experience natin. So, sana nagustuhan ninyo yung na-share ko for today's vlog. So, God bless us all. This is Busyang 18 once again saying that just try to balance our life. Just stay simple, beautiful, healthy, and young. God bless us all. God bless sa ating lahat. Sana tayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Just stay healthy, guys. I love you all. See you in the next vlog. Bye!